Hello and welcome. This is Ian, Handyman Plus Fan, and what am I doing today? Well, freezing my handymanness off in the cold. It's 3 degrees, and currently I'm sitting down a back alleyway. I'm just going to show you what the back alleyway looks like, because this is kind of typical. I'm going to put my windscreen wipers on. So this is access to a customer's house. So just going to show you the alleyway quickly. Now, if you look in the distance, you see all the rubbish. This is normal. This is a normal view down a back alleyway in the UK. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love the UK. It's brilliant. So there's indexes out there, and one of the ones I look at is quality of life. How good is the quality of life in the UK at the moment? You might ask me. And obviously I've gone on about previously about cows having more rights than humans in the UK, and they do. They in fact have more rights, and they actually have standards that you've got to have your cow at. So you've got to have your cow. It's got to have X amount of space. It's got to have access to a vet. It's got to have all of these things. I'm just like, humans don't even get that. Humans don't get access to all of that good stuff that the cows are getting. I want to be a cow. Anyway, going on to the quality of life in the UK. We are currently 17th. So if we were still part of the EU, we would be 17th, ranked 17th, just below Lithuania. Oh my God! Obviously Luxembourg is right at the top. The clue is in the name, Lux. Ooh, la-di-da. Yeah, that's right, Luxembourg, people. If you want to go somewhere and you want to get loads of money and loads of benefits and loads of free stuff, Luxembourg's the place to go. It's not the UK. Oh no, it used to be, but not no more. The NHS, God love it, is on its knees. Now the NHS actually started in Swindon, where I'm from. Amazing, you know. We're just the trendsetters around the world. Swindon sets the trend. Ooh, little old town like this. You know, we've had some of the best people come out of this town. Billy Piper. Ooh, hello, Billy Piper. Is she listening? She's a lovely lady. Very left wing, but that's okay. You can be left wing. You can be right wing. I don't care. Both of them. If you follow David Icke, then you kind of understand where I'm coming from. The aliens here, they rule the world. Of course they do. It all makes sense. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day. If you need a handyman, just go to my website and book me in. It's very simple. That's it. You just go there, book me in, write a long list of all the things you want me to do. If you want me to do big jobs, and I mean big jobs, so for instance, if you're a landlord looking to sell your house and you want your house to look all lovely, then hit me up, because I'll give you a quote. Because I can put together a small little team, and if you're my team watching it, you know who you are. Yes, you do. And I can put together a team, and we can get it done in weeks. If it's a one-man band, it's 3 months, start to finish, turnaround. So that's new kitchen, new bathroom, and all the other rooms painted and carpeted. 3 months to do that. So that gives you a good idea of what I'm capable of. And the little team that I have hustling here, we hustle hard, because you got to, because we're lower than Lithuania. Can't even say that. Lithuania. Anyway, you should look at life in Lithuania, and then look at life in the UK. Apparently, their life is better than ours. We're just above the Czech Republic. Now, for those of you who want a history lesson, you should Google Czech Republic, and you should see, you know, like the standard there, and what it is like here. So, on a sad note, Swindon was full of sort of Polish people, but sadly, they've all gone home, or most of them, except for the crazy ones like us. Only the crazy ones are left. So, stay crazy, stay amazing. I love you guys, and there's always something to smile about, even the rain. Take care, and if you could be anything, be kind.